So we came into the studio again today to record some more songs, and we wanted to do something different. So we teamed up with a CBD oil company, and we actually did like a company branded song for them. It was pretty cool. Did some research on their website, some of their products, and we decided to kind of have some fun with it. We took the song and we actually divided it into 2 songs, okay? The first one is like Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg. The second one is Eminem and Dr. Dre. And we did like a nice like little talking kind of skit in the middle to break it up. We have fun with it. I was in there trying to rap like Eminem, and then Dr. Dre, Peter Sorensen came in, and we started having like a back and forth conversation about the concerns people have with hemp and with CBD. It's legalized everywhere, but people don't really, they still see it as like a drug, and they're not really sure what to do. So I think we had a little bit of fun with it, played with it. This is an opportunity for us to work directly with company brands. So as companies approach us and say, hey, we'd love to have a song, a rap song, all about our brand and our company, and we want our name in there, and we want it to be all about us, that's something that we're starting to take on here at Lifepreneurs. Why don't I take you behind the scenes with us in the studio to kind of give you like a little over-the-shoulder action on how we're putting together all the fun that we're having and what we're doing. I look forward to releasing this song. Hopefully you guys give it a big thumbs up.
To the P, hemp works pumping at that pure CBD, ready to make an entrance. We back on top. Chris Trucker, show me what you got.
Give me the microphone first so I can talk about this oil, Josh and Jenna got together, now you know we in trouble, cause ain't nothing but CBD, baby. Take drips of the peppermint daily. Hemp Works is the company that pays me. Drip, dripping, boy, we don't really vape it. But back to the product at hand.